Good morning to everyone. Myself 𝗱𝐿𝐴. I have a 9 years experience in teaching. Today we discuss about CNC programming. So today class agenda is that first we learn that introduction of CNC, laterly type of CNC machine, laterly CNC programming. After that we can saw one CNC simulation demo. Okay, so introduction of CNC. NC means is that numerical control. CNC means is computer numerical control. Okay, so for example, what is the difference between manually operated machine and CNC machine means? For manually operated machines, operator they given a feed and direction and also depth of cut they will given in manually they are given. For example, in lathe machine, manual lathe machine, you people are that operator. You people only rotate that tool post. You people only give that feed, and you people only fix the speed of the workpiece. Okay, but in CNC machine, everything is controlled by program through the servo motor. Okay, so in CNC machine we have a servo motor. Okay, for controlling a servo motor, we are using some numerical program. Is that here in CNC machine, that program we call is that numerical program. Okay, it's not a machine language, it's the numerical program. Here we are using only numerical value like 001, 002, 003 like that. Okay, so this is the thing. So next one, see here, that this one is the manual operator. Manual operator only here they are given here everything, every option they will do in a manual. But CNC operator, just they feed that program, machine automatically do that operation. So okay, so this is the evolution of the NC and CNC machines. Okay, in 1970s, first numerical control machine is born. Okay, so laterly what happened, this is that evolution of the CNC machines. So next one is the type of CNC machine. So already you people know that we have a lathe machine. Lathe machine means that is the turning center. Milling machine is that milling center. Next drilling machine is there, and also frame cutter and laser cutter is there. Water jet machines also is there. Nowadays what happened means every machine is that come under the CNC. Okay, next one, what is the type of CNC machine controller? Okay, already I told you people what is that programming. So okay, so here few of the controller is there. Controller means that is that make. Okay, for example, that system make CNC we are using few systems now, that system makers. FANUC is that one of the famous controller in India nowadays. Next is that GSK Mechanical 3. So many companies is there nowadays in the industry. So working principle of CNC. First of all, we need to enter the program into that machine. Laterly, that control unit process the program. It's given a command to that servo motor. Okay, servo motor, and that servo motor is give that feedback to the machine. Again, it's give the feedback to that machine. Again, same control unit, it's give that feedback to the servo motors. Like that only that CNC machine is working. Okay, so generally in CNC machine we are using a servo motors. So I just once again I will tell you people. So here, if in case in this image you just see this manual operator, they move the tool post through the workpiece. Okay, but in CNC machine, servo motor is move the tool post through the workpiece. Okay, so here manual operation is there. Here automatic operation is there. That automatic operation it's done by that servo motors. Okay, for man, that servo motor it's replace that man. Okay, here that man mind is that computer unit. Here CNC programmer controller is that brain. Okay, so CNC lathe machine. So CNC lathe machine, it's operated by the computer numerical control. Okay. So here that CNC lathe machine. Okay. For example, already I told you people once again. So is that automated versus, sorry, once again, I tell you clearly. Okay. See, CNC lathe machine, it's controlled by the computer numerical controller. Okay. So in manual lathe machine, man control the machine. Here computer control that machine. Okay. So that is the difference between that manual and CNC lathe machine. How the CNC lathe machines are working. Okay. In programming, in numerical programming, we have a different kinds of codes like a G code, M code. Okay. In G code means it's give that instruction about the operation. M code means it's give that instruction about the machine control. Okay. That controller unit, it's process that program. Laterally, it's give that command to the servo motor. Servo motor, it's doing the process. So this is that working of the lathe machine. So here, next one is that CNC turning machine axis. So you just see here. So in lathe machine, we have only two direction operation. Only two direction of the operation. So guys, this is the important thing. Okay, listen carefully. So if I want to move through the spindle means I want to move in a Z axis. I want to move to that in Z axis. If I want to give the feed of the I want to give feed means that is that X axis. So don't forget, in CNC lathe machine we have only two direction. In milling machine we have a three direction, that is that X, Y, Z. In lathe machine only two direction, that is that X coordinator and Z coordinator. So if I want to move that tool post through the workpiece means that is that minus Z. Okay. If I want to give that feed means that is that minus X. Okay. Next one, what are the skills need for CNC programmer? Definitely, you people need the drawing, reading skills. For example, in designers, they just design the machine elements. They taken a printout. They given to you people. You people read the diagram. What they are telling in that diagram. What is the tolerance? Okay, everything we need to read in that diagram. Where is that length? Where is that depth? Like that, everything we can read from that diagram. So definitely CNC programmer, they need a drawing, reading skills. Next thing is that material selection. So for example, in material selection is nothing but most of the company they are using that MS, SS. Some of the company they are using a copper, brass, like that things is there. Okay, so that is that material selection. Based on that equipment, we are selecting a material. Okay, so next one is that tool selection. So tool selection is that important thing. Okay, based on that material, we are selecting a tool. For example, I have an MS workpiece. Okay, MS workpiece. If I will select plastic tool means definitely we're not able to do that operation. So definitely we will select that more hardness of the tool. Okay, that is the tool selection. Next one is the machine setting. In machine setting, we have a workpiece setting, and also as soon as machine setting is there, machine 0 point is there, and also here only we can fix that speed and feed. Feed means that is the depth of cut. Okay, so how much speed we need, how much feed we need. Next one is that programming knowledge. So these are the skills definitely you people these are the skills needed for the CNC machine operators. So next one is that CNC programming. So here, see, CNC basic programming. Okay, CNC programming means that is that we called as a part program. What we called part program. Okay, so in part program, every part program we started with that N, capital N. So that it's referred a black. Capital N means it's referred a black. Okay, so next one is that in all the letters after that we include that numerical value. Already I told you people G code is there. So G001, G002, G003, like that. So in all the capital letters backside we will add the numerical values. So important things to know. So units, units. Next one is that absolute or incremental position. Next one is that coordinator, that is that axis. Next one is that feed rate and spindle speed. Next one, sorry, coolant on off. Next one is that tool controller. So for example, in few of the CNC machine, we have a 7 tool holders. So for example, I fix that left hand tool in tool number 3 means in tool post number 3. What happened? So during my program, I can clearly mention tool number I need only tool number 3, like that. Okay, so that is the tool controller. Okay, during your course definitely I will explain everything. Okay, don't worry. So this everything is that basics. So next one is that CNC programming black structure. Okay, so see, this is that one of the CNC program. This is that one of the CNC program structure. So first of all, everything we have mentioned in your word. Already I told N is that black. N is that black. So 0, 0, 1. Z is that indicate the G programming. So G 0, 0, 1. X. Laterally, what is that? X, sorry, in X minus or plus that value. Okay, next Y minus or sorry, here not Y, Z. For lathe machine is that Z. This one is for milling machine. So for that reason only here they mentioned Y. So Z, what is that value? Next, any M code is there, machine control is there, like we can mention here. Okay, laterally I will explain that programming also, don't worry. So CNC, we have a different kinds of codes. Okay, so G code, it's that operation conditions. Okay, G code for operation conditions like turning, drilling. For example, I need if for example manual operator is there, I am that instructor for that manual operator. I just tell them do the drilling operation. Through that mouth I am telling. Okay, in CNC controlling, in CNC we can here we can tell them through the codes. So for example, I am just telling you just do the turning. So G01, like that I'm just telling. That is that language. Okay, so this is the thing. So next one is that M code. M code, it's for controlled machines. M code is controlled machines. Okay, this is that machining setup. For example, coolant on off, spindle clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation, tool change. Okay, tool change, this kind of machine operation is there na. So that we can give the machine through the M codes. G code for that operation, M code for the machine control. Next, N code is there. N code is that already I told you people, N code is that blocks. Okay, we can mention that black wise number. Okay, so that is that thing. So next one is that axis code. Already I told you people, X, Y, Z. So next, feed and speed is there. So for feed we can mention in F. For example, 0.05 mm every depth. For every operation we can cut 0.005 mm depth. So I can mention with F 0.00, means it's cut one turning, it's cut 0.05 mm. Okay, so next one is that speed, means that is that yes, that is that spindle speed. Okay, so next one is that tool change. So for tool code we can mention in a T. Okay, it's everything is that easy only, you don't worry. Program is that very easy thing. So programming key letters. O means program number. For example, I need to save one program in machine. Okay, so I just open file 0001 means that is that file name. Okay, so that is that O. N is that sequence of that number, black number. Already I tell about that G, X, what is that X, Y, X, Z, everything I will tell you. Okay, so this is that G code ma. Okay, so G00 means rapid travels, G001 means linear travel, G02 means circular interpolation, G03 means circular interpolation anti-clockwise, like that. G codes is there. These are the important G codes. And also here G21 is that metric unit on. G71 is that metric unit off. So these are that important G codes. And also next to G40 is that cutter combination cancel. This one also is that important G codes. These are that important G codes. During your class, I will explain that all the G codes and M codes. Don't worry. So next one is that M00 is that programming stuff. Already I told you people. See here. See here. This everything is that machine operation. Everything is that machine operation. So this one, sorry, this is that workpiece operations. Okay. So this one is that machine operations. So see, program stop, optimize program stop, program end, spindle on, spindle off, spindle stop, tool change, coolant on, coolant off, program stop, and reset to start. This everything is that machine control. For example, this is that M code. Okay. So next one is that we can learn on simple program. So I will tell you that another program. Why? Because this is that very simple program. We will take somewhat complicated program once again. Okay. See. See here they are given one diagram. Here they are given diagram like this. Okay. We need to do that operation like this shape. First of all, machine operator what can do means they will create a operation sheet. Okay, in operation sheet, what they have mentioned, what is that billet size? In already for manual lathe machine, we are telling a workpiece. In CNC, we are telling in a billet. Billet means that is that workpiece. What is that workpiece size? What is that length? Okay, what is that raw material? Here we are here for this one they mention in a aluminium. So what are the operation they are done? For serial number 1 is the turning operation. For turning operation, what are the tools we are needed? Left hand turning tool. Next one is that see grooving. So why grooving they are mentioned here? So here some of the grooving area is there. We need to groove the workpiece billet. For that reason only here we are taken a grooving tool. So grooving tool, what is that grooving tool size and with everything here clearly they mention in a tool type. Okay, laterally they fixed, and also what they are doing here they fixed some. Here they mention 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. So this is the point of the operation. So I will during your class I will explain everything. So laterally they start here you see guys, they are using a absolute dimension system. Already I told you people in that slide what is that the dimensioning system, absolute or in like that I told na. So here they are using a absolute dimension system. So during your course, I will explain what is that absolute dimension system. So this is that program. So first of all, they opened, okay, O1101. They open one program. They mention what is that billet size, that is that workpiece size. G21 is that G21 is that metric data input, everything they mention. And also here already I write that program. Okay. Okay. I write that program. During your course, I tell you how to write the program. Don't worry. Okay. So I have a program. I just copy that program. Okay. That program. So here I am having a CNC Turner simulator. One software is there. So just once open that software means you just click OK. So here guys, you see here they have given a rectangular workpiece, but we need a circular workpiece. This one is that milling piece. So you go to that control type, you just turn to that port turning. So see guys, it's automatically it will be changed. So this area is there now. So this area here only we can type the program. So now what I'm doing now. So just I open the job and tools. Here I am going to that billet setting. So see, in billet setting already we mentioned clearly what is that billet size. In operation chart already we mentioned na. So 32 dia and length is that 100 mm. So I just change here. So 132. Okay. Next one is the tool offset. Tool offset, you will see guys, first tool is that left hand tool. First tool is that left hand tool. Left hand tool here is that first tool is that what is that left hand turning tool. Okay, correct. Second tool is that what is that second? Okay. For example, one second guys, one second. So guys, tool one is that left hand tool is there. Tool two is that grooving tool is there. Sometimes what happen? So here sometimes that second tool it will be changed means second tool it's changed means what can I do, sir? So see, first tool is that left hand tool is there. Second tool is that another tool is there, but we need a grooving tool. So just you go to that select tooling. So here you just click the grooving tool in double time. So now you come and check second tool, it will be changed to the grooving. So next you press the OK button. Okay, so here we can type the program. Already I have a program, just I will place the program here. Okay, I just place the program here. So this is that our program. So next I will click that cycle start button. So the program is running. So see guys, that tool is coming and it's do that operation. So here is there now. So this area it's running now X30. So it's reduced that size of the billet. So now X29 up to Z29, X28. It now it's doing a step turning operation. So here in red color mark is there na. So in that area, this operation are doing. So like that, easily here that using this simulation software, easily we can check the program. This is that correctly we are written that program. If in case any correction is there, everything we can check here. So next one is that circular interpolation program. It's running here. So this one is that circular interpolation clockwise. This one is that anti-clockwise. See, clockwise, anti-clockwise. This one is that clockwise. So now again it's doing that operation. Next grooving tool is coming and it's do the grooving operation. I hope you guys definitely you enjoy the today's section. Okay, so like this only in industry CNC machine programmers, they check the CNC program. First of all, in company, they given one diagram to you people. You people read the diagram. You people select the tools. What are the tools? What are that billet size? Everything you people are note down in operation sheet. Laterally, you people start to write a CNC program manually with that pen and paper. Laterally, you people enter that program in that CNC simulator software and you just check that program. Okay, so as per the diagram, that shape is coming means your program is correct. If any mistake it will be happen means here itself we do that correction. Again recorrect the CNC program. Again we can check. Again final program we are given to the we can feed in that CNC machine. Okay, these are the working style for the CNC programmer. Okay guys,